Welcome to the Executive PG Certification in Nutraceutical Business Management by Royd Training. This program is designed for professionals who want to understand how nutraceutical products are conceptualized, regulated, branded, commercialized, and scaled in a fast-growing wellness market. Nutraceutical success is not built only on a good ingredient or an attractive product. It depends on the right balance of science, compliance, product strategy, consumer insight, marketing, and execution. This program helps you connect all these elements and build the confidence to manage a nutraceutical brand from idea to market growth. Nutraceuticals occupy a unique space between conventional food and pharmaceutical drugs. They may offer health benefits beyond basic nutrition, but they must still be developed and communicated with care, scientific credibility, and regulatory discipline. This space creates a valuable opportunity, but it also brings complexity. The professional needs to understand the difference between a food claim, a dietary supplement claim, and a pharmaceutical claim. The program helps learners navigate this important boundary and create products that are both meaningful to consumers and compliant in the market. This program is designed for professionals from across the nutraceutical value chain. Regulatory and compliance professionals can strengthen their understanding of pricing, product strategy, commercial planning, and consumer market needs. It is equally relevant for marketers, brand managers, sales and business development teams, pharma professionals, and entrepreneurs. Each group brings a different strength, and the program helps them develop a more integrated mindset. The result is a professional who can work across functions and contribute more effectively to nutraceutical brand growth. The curriculum follows the real life of a nutraceutical product. It begins with product strategy and development, moves into global regulatory and quality system requirements, and then progresses to omnichannel branding, sales, retail execution, and international export. With 24 in-depth lectures across 4 sections, the program gives learners a guided pathway from product concept to global shelf presence. This makes the learning journey highly practical, because every topic is connected to the decisions that shape a product's real commercial success. The first pillar focuses on the starting point of every nutraceutical business, the product. You will learn how raw ingredients and botanicals are selected, how market segmentation guides product development, and how product categories such as dietary supplements, functional foods, and phytochemicals are positioned. This module also explores portfolio development and disease or nutrition management. Learners will understand how to translate raw ingredients into a compelling value proposition, one that is scientifically credible, commercially relevant, and meaningful for the people who may use the product. Regulatory compliance is essential for building trust in nutraceutical products. This pillar covers key regulatory pathways in major markets, including United States FDA pre-market notification and the generally recognized as safe process, as well as India's FSSAI licensing and novel food pathways. The module also introduces the operational foundations of a compliant business: plant operations, quality management systems, food safety standards, good manufacturing practices, data integrity, stability testing, packaging, and labeling. These are the systems that protect product quality and support long-term consumer confidence. A nutraceutical brand must communicate with clarity and credibility. This pillar focuses on intellectual property protection, trademarking, brand identity, visual design, and logo consistency. It helps learners understand how a brand becomes recognizable, trusted, and memorable in a crowded wellness market. You will also explore omnichannel engagement through websites, search, social media, Google Ads, email campaigns, and retail promotion. The focus is on creating content that informs consumers without making unsuitable claims, while ensuring that every channel delivers one coherent and compelling brand experience. A strong brand must perform at the shelf and across sales channels. This module covers domestic retail execution, including store classification, in-store performance, planograms, vertical and horizontal blocking, visual merchandising, and retail sales planning. The global export component helps learners understand how to take products beyond domestic markets. You will explore Incoterms, export documentation, certificates of origin, freight considerations, pre-shipment certificates, and export margin calculation. These skills are essential for building an efficient and scalable nutraceutical business. This program is designed to take learners beyond theory. Practical frameworks help participants understand how to read regulations, interpret brand situations, and make decisions that are relevant to real nutraceutical business challenges. Case studies bring realistic food and supplement scenarios into the learning environment. Live simulations help learners practice brand differentiation, retail planning, and regulatory responses. With 24/7 access, you can revisit complex concepts and build professional confidence at your own pace. Traditional roles often create separate specialists. The regulatory professional focuses on compliance, the marketer focuses on branding, and the sales or business development professional focuses on pitch and execution. But nutraceutical business success requires these functions to work together. The Royd upgrade is an integrated mindset. You will learn how commercial viability, pricing, brand planning, clinical substantiation, label compliance, omni-channel strategy, export documentation, and market access connect. This creates the ultimate T-shaped nutraceutical executive, a professional with deep functional strength and broad business understanding. This is your opportunity to build a complete understanding of nutraceutical business management. The Executive PG certification in nutraceutical business management helps you develop capability across product strategy, regulatory affairs, global marketing, sales, retail, and international expansion. Register at www.royd.in. Create your account and enroll to begin your learning journey. Whether you are building a career, leading a brand, or developing your own venture, this program can help you take a more confident step toward the future of nutraceutical business.